KWIKOT ATW heat pump LinkWarm series, multiple anti-freezing protection. Large screen display, high efficiency heat absorption, 30% increase in heat exchange area, high efficiency DC electric motor, full inverter technology ensure reliable performance and energy savings, high efficiency heat exchange, compact and low resistance plate type heat exchanger design, anti-freezing protection tiers. Auto heat function to avoid ice buildup. Smart defrost, multi-touch temp monitoring. There are more options to choose from.